ni tugicenjia kirato tugikire kiarafa tukiruga kuria wantu moja nginya iharo-ini citu na kuo tugiikie kabiru tukione maundu uria magikarite na ni ati timu ya bururi ya athaki aria a ukuru wa thi wa miaka 20 mubira-ini wa gonya niyo Chipu umuthi ni makihotete kwandikithia uhootani wa Mbere mbitika-ini yao ya muico na ya makundi mbitika iria iragithie na mbere kiharo-ini kia Nyayo. Chipu mahotire gukomia timu ya Hong Kong na pointi 30 kana 23 hari 19 na uguo Hong Kong magĩkorwo makĩrutwo mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici. Rĩu Chipu magĩkorwo magĩtũngana na timu kuma bũrũri wa Zimbabwe gũkorwo makĩng'ang'anĩra namba 5.
I'm very great. It's my first win. I'm really grateful. My first win against Hong Kong, against such a tournament. It's really feeling great. We've been improving since match day 1. So in each game, from Samoa, Spain, now Hong Kong, we've been improving. So I guess the boys just needed that exposure. So if we can get more experience on more tougher games, yeah, it's a very promising setup.
And so far, as a campaign, we've progressed so much. From our first game back in our training camp in Amsterdam to the game today, there's so much growth. And today we really wanted to show it. And, I think we did. We played good. But the home side, Kenya, they just played that little bit better on the day and they got the win today. We just didn't capitalise on the opportunities we had. We got down into their 22. We played good footy through the field. But, under the pressure, when we had a scoring opportunity, we didn't quite execute.
Nayo timu ya